The B-sharp grinding sharpener, developed and manufactured in France by Bobet Materiel, is made entirely of stainless steel, compliant with the EC certification. The system of toggle fastening enables dismantling without any tool. The specific crossband system provides convex sharpening. Its powerful motor, mounted on slides, ensures optimum abrasive belt tension. Disassembly and reassembly of abrasive belts is simply done without any tools. The start with the push button is only possible when the front panel is closed. The sharpening is done from the knife guard to the tip by applying slight downward pressure. The B-sharp grinding sharpener is suitable for any kind of knife. The convex type sharpening ensures perfect and sustainable cutting.